Hello everyone, I'm Dory. Welcome back to our series. Today we'll show you Taiwanese animal.
Roar! An ether. I'm the Formosan black bear. I'm the biggest Taiwanese land animal. I think I'm cool.
Hi, Sophie. This is my friend Formosa rock monkey. He has long tails, brown fur, and round eyes. He's so cute, right? That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.